Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, October 31, 2012. Well, a change of trend today, and the candle has made a higher high and a higher low, and a moderately large white body candle in stark contrast to the previous three trading days where we saw very small spinning top, almost doji type candles, a lot of indecision in the market. Today, some decisiveness from the market, a change of trend, and the largish white body denotes the buyers making a decent amount of net bullish progress, which is quite a change in momentum. It does suggest that the market may be destined for higher levels, but we do have a significant shadow on the top of this candle. The shadow coincided with the market trading up above the Tenkan Sen, and we can see here that the Tenkan Sen is held as resistance to this market. The Tenkan Sen is the green line here, and the market probed up above there but failed to close up above the Tenkan Sen. It closed just at the Tenkan Sen. So moving forward, that will be a very important area, and at the moment it looks as though the market is already trading above that level for tomorrow's trading, so that could be a significant breakout if the market does continue above there. We also have the market trading within this highlighted yellow area, and the market tested just to the top of this yellow zone of support and resistance and was rejected from there, so that's significant. But with this rejection and the buyers losing commitment, the buyers have still maintained control of this market, a moderate form of control, not strong, not weak, and not an indecisive candle, but certainly control has swung to the buyers to a degree. But we do have very strong resistance overhead. We also saw the top of the cloud come into play as resistance here, where the market was trading very close to the top there, and that selling come in there. We also had the market test outside the barriers of this little flag type pattern that I've highlighted, and a probe outside of there, a breakout outside of there doesn't complete that pattern. We actually want to see a close outside of the pattern. If we do see a bullish close above there, then we could quickly see the market trading to its target, which would be roughly up around the 1740 level at the moment if we do see a breakout from there, and the target would be the width of the pattern projected up from the breakout. There still is a possibility of a breakout to the downside in this pattern, but certainly down below where the market's trading at the moment, we have very, very solid support at 1700 round number, a very strong level in the past and certainly in the recent past here. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we've seen today strong rejection from the 100% level, and that does suggest there is potential for a change of trend, but we don't see a lot of weakness in this candle at the moment. The buyers have maintained control, so even though we've had rejection from the 100% level, the odds certainly aren't with a change of trend here based on the Fibonacci ratio and how the market's interacted with it. If we do see the market trade up through the 100% level, then the 161.8% level up around 1739 coincides with the top of the cloud, and that is more likely to be a more solid area of resistance, and an area where we could see the potential for a change of trend. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend here, we've seen the market test almost to the 161.8% and be rejected from there, but higher levels are the 261.8% just outside of the top of the cloud. As the market continues trading, if it does continue trending up, it will come to meet the top of the cloud in the next trading day or two, and that's around 1743. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, a neutral market in big picture terms, so neither bullish nor bearish, and the market is maintaining its bearishness by trading in the medium term time frame, by trading down below the Kijun Sen, the pink line here. This Kijun Sen is pointing flat, and time after time we see price action attracted back towards a flat Kijun Sen. That's what we've seen today. That led to this change of trend to the upside, and it does suggest that there is still potential for the market to test to higher levels and test up to that flat Kijun Sen. As I've mentioned earlier, the market is trading just at the Tenkan Sen, so neutral in the short-term time frame, so there is a possibility of a breakout. And as this market is developing at the moment today, it is trading outside of the Tenkan Sen, and there is a possibility of the market switching to a bullish market in those short-term time frame. But overall, we have a market that's neutral in the long-term time frame, bearish in the medium-term time frame, but attempting to turn bullish in the fast-term time frame, a possibility of a breakout to the upside, but solid resistance overhead and very solid support down below the 1700 level.